Hey, it's Jay here. If you're tired of not knowing where your traffic comes from, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to use my free UTM Generator Tool so you can track every single click like a pro. No tech headaches, no fluff, just simple tracking that works. All right, what you're looking at right now is my tool. The link for this tool is going to be available directly below in the YouTube video description box. Click that link, come on over and try out my free UTM generator where you can create excellent UTM links that actually update after every box you fill in. You're going to grab them right here, click copy to clipboard when you're done, and you're good to go. So what you're going to do here, let's dive in. The first box you're going to put in your website URL. This is the page you're sending traffic to, obviously. Your campaign source, wherever you have a campaign at. It could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, ads, whatever it is. You're going to put that in there, that little box there. Your campaign medium, I put paid underscore social for this demo video, but obviously it's going to be different for whatever you're doing. Whatever helps you remember the campaign, that's what's going to go in this box. Campaign term, and I put in there smartwatch, and then campaign content is going to be carousel ad. So obviously yours are going to be different, but that's it. All you got to do is fill in these boxes right here, and your UTM link is going to update right down here. As you can see, this big long link right here. This is going to be your tracking link. All you do is copy it to clipboard, and you're good to go. Watch when I take this out, like the last box here, campaign content. See how it goes out when so it's building your link live. So if you don't like something in the link, you can always change it, and you're good to go. Just press copy to clipboard, link copy to clipboard, and you're good. And you now have a nice UTM tracking link that you can use for your marketing campaign so you know where your leads are coming from. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Real cool tool to use. If you want to know exactly where your leads are coming from, where your traffic's coming from, you're using UTM. This is a great free tool that I just built. And there's also a video right here, how to use URL parameters like a pro. Watch this video, and this will go into a deep dive on what UTM parameters are, and it takes you through the ins and outs of them. And this video will explain to you more about that, so you'll be a pro after watching this video. And some questions and answers right here, and that's about it. So if you like what you see, you want to check out this tool, stop on over, links directly below. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.